Ever felt that knot in your stomach when you need help with your crypto wallet, but you're not sure how to reach anyone? You've got your ELLIPAL, a fantastic cold wallet for securing your digital assets, but what happens when you have a question, a technical glitch, or just need some guidance? Navigating customer support can sometimes feel like a treasure hunt, especially in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. So, if you've ever wondered, how do I contact ELLIPAL customer service? You're in the right place. Today, we're going to break down the most effective ways to connect with ELLIPAL's support team. We'll cover everything from their official channels to important safety precautions you should always keep in mind when seeking assistance. Because when it comes to your crypto, security and reliable support go hand in hand. The primary and most recommended way to contact ELLIPAL customer service is through their official email address, cs@ellipal.com. This is your go-to for general inquiries, order issues, shipping and returns, account help, and product-related questions. When you send an email, be as detailed as possible. Include your order number if it's a purchase-related query, the model of your ELLIPAL device, and a clear description of the issue you're facing. Screenshots or short video clips can also be incredibly helpful in explaining your situation. ELLIPAL aims to respond to refund or replacement requests within 3 business days, so while it's not instant, it's a reliable channel for comprehensive support. Beyond email, ELLIPAL also provides avenues for more immediate assistance, particularly through their website's help center and potentially live chat. While live chat availability can sometimes vary, many users report success with this method for quicker queries. Always look for the Contact Us or Help section on the official ELLIPAL website. This area typically houses their FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and options to submit a support ticket or initiate a chat if available. They often have an automated help center that can address common issues before you even need to speak with a representative. Now, a crucial word of caution: the world of cryptocurrency is unfortunately rife with scammers. It is imperative that you only use the official contact methods provided on ELLIPAL's official website. Never trust phone numbers or email addresses found on random forums, social media comments, or unofficial websites. ELLIPAL has explicitly stated that they do not offer customer service support on platforms like Telegram, and you should be extremely wary of anyone claiming to be from ELLIPAL and asking for your recovery phrase or private keys. They will never ask you for this sensitive information. If someone does, it's a scam. Always double-check the URL of any website you visit and ensure it's the legitimate ELLIPAL site before entering any personal information or contacting support. So, for most inquiries, emailing cs@ellipal.com is your best bet. For quicker assistance, explore the live chat or support ticket options within their official website's help center. Remember to be clear and concise in your communication, and most importantly, prioritize your security by only using official channels. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.